Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, in our previous video we saw how to draw an incircle in an acute angle triangle, right? Today in this video we will see how to draw an incircle in a right angle triangle. Okay students? Okay, so first I will draw one right angle triangle. So for that let's draw one arm. Okay, I have drawn this arm. You can give it any name, suppose Q R. This is Q, Q R. Then I require one right angle at point Q or point R. Let's draw a right angle at point Q. For that I will use protractor. Okay, so okay, I hope all of you know how to draw an angle. Then at the point of 90 I will mark. Then let us draw. Okay, locate any one point. Suppose this is point P. So PQR is now the right angle triangle. Connect point P and R to draw the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. PQR was the angle. So PQR is a right angle triangle. Ready now? What we have to do? Draw in circle. How do we locate in center? We have to draw angle bisectors. Can we bisect angle? Definitely yes. Let's bisect. Let's first bisect this angle Q. Once again same step. Take any random distance in compass. Okay. Draw two arcs on two arms of angle Q. Okay. Give any appropriate names to this intersection point of arms and arcs. Suppose this is point A, this is point B. Now from these 2 points we have to draw two arcs. So let's increase the distance such that the projected arc will go out of the triangle. Okay students, I will increase this much distance. Now from point A I will draw one arc. I have drawn it. Now without changing this distance, I will draw the arc from point B. Got it? Now locate this intersection point of two arcs. Join that intersection point with point Q. We are just following same steps repeatedly. Okay, so this suppose see QC is angle bisector of angle PQR. Similarly, let's draw angle bisector of angle R. First step, take any random distance taken from point R. Draw two arcs on the two arms of angle R. We bisected this angle. Yes, so this and these two arms needs to be intersected by this arc. Now give them name. Suppose this is point ABC, D, E. Now increase this distance such that it should go out of the projected arc, will go out of the triangle. So I will increase it little bit and draw one arc. Okay guys, now from point E draw another arc intersecting previous arc. Got it? So this point is the intersection point of these two arcs. Let us give it a name A B C D E F. Students, don't get confused between this point B and F. B is this point and F is this point. Okay, so let's draw one array connecting point R and F, which will be the angle bisector of angle PRQ. Done. Okay, and final step is we have to bisect this angle QPR. Once again just same step we have to follow repeatedly. One of the easiest lesson, no calculation, nothing, very few steps, few drawing steps how to follow repeatedly. So I draw one arc intersecting these two arms of angle P, then increase the distance okay, and draw two arcs out of the triangle. Okay students, suppose these 2 points were point G and H. You can give any names, but ABCD is easy, right? And connect this point. Automatically this point will go through the interior of the triangle. Okay students, so why I told you to increase the distance in the compass such that this projected arc will go out of the triangle, because students, either it is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, or obtuse angle triangle, their in center always will be in the interior of the triangle. So in center will be in the interior. If this intersection point of arcs also will be in the interior, then here will be lot of arcs, right? In this interior here will be lot of arcs. Suppose these two arcs shifted here will be two arcs. Suppose these two arcs shifted in the interior, here will be two arcs. These two arcs shifted here will be two arcs. So there will be lot of arcs, and after that we have to draw circle also. So it will create confusion. So to avoid that confusion, take distance such that projected arcs will go out of the triangle. You may observe, you may cross check this with previous video also. There we draw acute angle triangle and its in center and in circle. There also in center was in the interior. So let's continue. First step is draw a triangle that we have drawn. Second step, bisect all the angles that we have done. Third step, from this in center, let's name it as I. So from this in center we have to draw one perpendicular, either on any one side, either on side QR, PQ or PR, but it's easy for us to draw on QR. So let's draw a perpendicular on QR by using set square. What we have to do, align this base on the side QR properly. I have aligned here. First thing. Second thing, its height should touch to this point R. So slide it such that base is aligned to side QR and height is touching to the point I. Now from this point we have to draw one perpendicular. So let's draw a perpendicular. Okay, now we have to take distance in the compass. Suppose this is point I X. This is point IX. We have to take the distance in the compass, which is equals to point IX. Means put this tip of the compass on I, pencil, tip of the pencil on X. So let's do it. I X. See, I have kept the tip of the compass on I and pencil on X. So IX is the radius. Put the center, consider the center as I, and draw a circle. So let's draw it. Can you see it? The circle is passing through the interior, touching all three sides very accurately. So can you do it? Yes, you can do it. I know. I'm confident about you. Okay students, so this is enough for this video. In next video we will see how to draw such kind of in circle of an obtuse angle triangle.